Unlock a life full of endless opportunities and countless memories at Vita Student Richmond House, Southampton, the best you could ask for. Nestled in Terminus Terrace Street, this ultra-modern abode offers a range of stylish studios to choose from. Come home to a snug bed, a spacious wardrobe, and ample drawers and bookshelves to store all your gear. But that's not all. Unwind and rejuvenate in the townhouse gardens and socialize in the common room. Binge your favorite movies at the in-house cinema and ace your academic game in the dedicated study rooms. Plus, exclusive facilities like on-site laundry, bi-weekly housekeeping, and secure bike storage make life easy. And when it's time to unleash your academic potential, Southampton Solent University and University of Southampton are both nearby. On weekends, bask in the lap of nature in Palmerston Park or Houndwell Park, or enjoy a sundowner at Medbar Southampton, which is a short stroll away. You can also hop on a bus or catch a train to experience the serenity of Southampton at your own pace. So are you ready to embark on an unforgettable student housing journey in the heart of Southampton? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay at Vita Student Richmond House today.